So here she is, the Donner DED 200. After beating it up for a little while, now I can give it a good review and show you all its features. So it's got 30 different kits to choose from. I prefer to kind of just make my own kit, combining the best sounds possible. Once you get through the basics, I can say this will be the only complaint you'll have. But if you got the 200, the plus is that you can just upgrade the pedal, which is what I did. The beauty of it is that any pedal will fit right in. I found this one on the used market at a very good price. I still need practice, so I'm not going to show off, but I'm going to try to show you all the features. Aside from the pedal, I have zero complaints for these things. Enough features to keep me satisfied as a beginner and to keep me going. And I will definitely upgrade to the real deal once I'm good enough. But these are pretty good.